Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin Kauffman and this is Fred Weaver, my business partner. We're Group 4610, Arizona's premier short sale team. I want to thank you for stopping by our blog here today. There's tons of information here about us, so I won't go on. I do just want to let you know that we are Arizona's premier short sale team. We've closed over 350 short sales at a 90% success rate, and we're using this blog as a method to share truthful information with you about the world of short sales.
Yeah, one of the topics I want to talk about today is we've got a lot of homeowners here towards the end of 2010 and early 2011 that are seeing their loans service transferred from maybe a City Mortgage or a Wells Fargo or a Chase or a GMAC or any other institution. They're seeing a service transfer on their loan to a company called IBM or LBPS. And I want to just talk with you a little bit about that today in case that's somebody out there like yourself. What is happening is that most likely your loan, if you're in this situation, is owned by Fannie Mae, the government-sponsored entity that actually owns the most mortgages out there in the entire country.
Yes.
And Fannie Mae has put a little deal together that they've been working on for a little over a year now. And this deal is just starting to see fruition, meaning it's just starting to be enacted. And what this deal looks like is that Fannie Mae is starting to service transfer, move the servicing from the company you used to pay your mortgage to over to IBM or LPS. And they're asking IBM or LPS to now be their servicer. Now, there's a lot of reasons that's going on behind the scenes that we don't need to go into, but what I want to share with you is that if you're somebody out there that is in a situation where you've seen that service transfer, you're wondering, well, can I even do a short sale with this lender, or can they even help me modify my loan, or what are my options? IBM really services loans. This is weird. What's happening? There's a lot of conversation out there in the community. Give us a call. I can tell you that we have several of our clients right now that are in that very same situation. We've worked hard over the last several weeks to develop some relationships with people inside LBPS and IBM. And what I can tell you is that most of the realtors out there, that if you approach them and tell them about this, they likely don't have very much or any experience at all with this lender, and they're likely to just follow their same short sale process that they've been following. But what we've recently discovered is that there are so many files all across the country that are being service transferred to IBM, LBPS. There's a big backlog, meaning that this new servicer can't handle the volume of files they have. So the relationships that we've developed inside the bank are paying off and very important to get your file listened to and actually paid attention to, because there's way too many files going in this one little funnel right now for them to be able to handle it. You're going to have an agent that we would say is outback, meaning is willing to do some things a little bit outside of the normal conventional route or traditional route of thinking. And that's what makes us most successful. So you know what, if your lender's not IBM or LBPS, I can promise you that we've closed 300 plus short sales at a 90% success rate over the past couple of years, and we likely have experience with your lender as well. So fill out the form here on the website and give us an opportunity to speak with you. We'd love to talk to you about your options and answer any questions you might have.
Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks.